So welcome to the forex analysis. So today I got some late update, but yeah, in the recent video we have talked about the dollar index, that dollar index can form a left head and the right shoulder. It is forming like that, inverted head and shoulder, broken the neckline, testing it, and it is preparing to go for the upside, right? So we'll talk about the pairs in which we have talked in the previous video, previous videos. So the first one was the GBP and JD. Okay, for GBP and JD, what I am looking for the sell side here, but if I shift to the smaller time frame, I never got the shift of structure right over here. Right, I am waiting for the shift of structure of this smaller time frame. Here, break editors, but I never got that. And the market open, you can see in the night, and it will go straight away to this resistance area, right? So we avoided this loss. Now I am waiting for it to come to this area, so that it reaches the neckline of this inverted head and shoulder and this EMA to buy. Okay, okay. So next one which I have analyzed was the GBP AUD. So in GBP AUD also I was looking for sell right around here, but you can see that in the on the Monday night opening, the market is straight away goes to the upside without giving us the shift of structure on the smaller time frame. Like it has broken the smaller time frame, but never gave the impulsion, right? Yeah. Here you can see. Here you can see never got the broken neckline retracing, but never got the engulfing. So we not enter here, right? So we avoided loss here. The next one which were guys was the KWI, right? I misinterpreted this area of interest right around here because I was not considering this weekly area of interest which was supports, resistance. I have to draw the area of interest right around here, right? Which I was not considering here. I also assuming that the daily candlesticks will have a two increase and then the next day it will have a move. But I was wrong. I don't have to form pre-assume any type of momentum. Okay. So what it did was like also I am looking for this to enter, but what I was seeing is that this complex left type shoulder and waiting for the break and testing company, but I was wrong. This trade was supposed to be taken by me right around here because it is found me. You can see like left head. This was the left hand right shoulder. This was the left and this is the head. Shifted the structure and then even the pullback and the body from here. So I was supposed to enter around this point, right? Yes. And also the और जब भी I gave the similar move around here. I don't know यार, पता नहीं क्या हो रहा था, मेरे को यहाँ पे 30 मिनट बना और मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया था। मैं यहाँ पे ब्रेक रिटेस्ट इंगल्फिंग का वेट कर रहा था यहाँ पे कि ये 30 मिनट है, लेफ्ट राइट सोल्जर बना है, ब्रेक रिटेस्ट इंगल्फिंग। अगर ये कैंडल इस टाइप की बनी होती नहीं, ये वाली 30 मिनट कैंडल, तो मैं यहाँ पे एंटर कर लेता, बट इसने बॉडी भी क्लोज नहीं करी थी, तो मेरे को डाउट हो रहा था। ठीक है, बट एक हमारे शिफ्ट करते हैं तो यहाँ पे वही सेम पैटर्न बना है, वो देखेंगे लेफ्ट हेड शिफ्ट स्ट्रक्चर right shoulder and body characteristics group. So I was supposed to enter here, right? Okay, this also nice introduced. Okay, but happy about that our strategy is working fine and we have very good information, right? Okay. So next was the odd USD which we are looking for the sell, but it never gave the break and it is, so we never able to sell this. Okay. The next one is USD where we are waiting for the break and retest of this, but never give the engulfing. And you can also notice that it never got the setup structure by there so that we can enter on the pullback. That's why this was not in our setup trade, but the direction is right. You can see that it goes to upside. Okay. So the other place which I have analyzed was this Euro USD. So what I am looking in the Euro USD is that in the 15-minute time frame, this forming a triple top. I am waiting for the break retest. I am waiting for the break retest and engulfing of this triple top neckline and this EMA, right? That will be trade for me. Good trade for me. And GPCHF I have entered in this counter trade. But what the fuck, man, I did, yeah. It was really me who was entering and exiting from GBP USD to this, and I am planning to sell. I am planning to sell right at the what you say is that rare support. I was planning to sell at support, bro. That's not how it works, bro. Like in GBP USD, I was planning to sell here. What the fuck are you doing, man? You have to be patient and learn to sit on your hands, right? You are not supposed to sell here. Why? Because you can see that we are at the support, right? This is a very extremely important support. If you go to the back time zone, if you go to the trend line, if you go to the back in a time frame, you can see, bro, this major support and resistance, support. This important level you are trying to sell, no, bro, that's not how it goes. You have to wait for the proper break retest and engulfing. Like this, for our then is supposed to engulf this. Okay, so you might have entered that over here and put a stop loss here, right? That also given you the 1:1. That's nice, but you have to wait for the break retest and then body candlesticks closure, right? Not body above. तुम 30 मिनट में से करके बोल यार यार ये करके एंटर कर लेता हूँ, नहीं ब्रो, यू आर नॉट सपोज टू डू स्मॉलर टाइम फ्रेम for relation for entering on the bigger time frame. You have to wait for the bearish signal when the market was closing, so there is a less momentum downside, so you are not supposed to hit the right over there, right? Yes. And the next one is the GBP CAD. GBP CAD, we are waiting for the retest to buy. It is also contra trend trade. You can see that the trades which are contra trade, it means that against the trend, they are moving very slow. And you can see in the pairs like odd JPY, CAD JPY, they are with the trend, so they move very fast in a single day, right? That's why you know that trend is your friend, baby. Yeah, right. So whatever looking for any sort of volume context to be signal, but I did not get that. If I may get that very single from any sort of here, then I can enter right over here. Okay. Waiting for the opening of the London session at 1 p.m. Then you will see that, right? It will also form left right potential right solar given the structure. Okay, nice. The next one is the USD JPY was nice. We are waiting for the to this is a nice neutral. We are waiting for the to come to this zone, retest the neckline of the left and right shoulder and the EMA and around psychological number 145. That's nice. Nice. 145. We are waiting for this to come here. This is nice time. And the GPNJD also we are waiting for the retest of this neckline EMA. Down psychological number 2.2555, 2.25255, and the retest of the neckline of the left and right shoulder. Right. Odd it has came to this zone as predicted, but we never got to enter signal. Yeah, we can enter that way. Like you can look at this zone. I have learned this from my mistakes. Like you can look at this zone. We break this zone, we tested it, and engulf this. So you can enter right over here and put your stops over this structure point, right? Okay. So if you're not getting the proper spread, you can wait for the pullback right around here. Like you can see, this is the morning 6:30 a.m. So you must have done at 10 a.m. right? That's perfect one is to trade, right? Okay. You're supposed to exit right over here. That's a nice trade. Also, if I get any sort of shift of structure right around here in the smaller time, then I can enter here. Okay. So these are all the trades for today, Tuesday. We will see you on the night.